Hello everybody. You are watching our English language virtual class, and by seeing the board you can well understand that today we are going to do another comprehension class, that is the third comprehension, whose title is The Hare and the Tortoise. And the tortoise again. Okay. Now, why I have written the word again is that because you are familiar with the title, but not the story which I am going to do now. Children, do you remember the great race between the hare and the tortoise? For a long time, no one in the entire animal kingdom could talk about anything but the great race and its two contestants. Yes, I mean to say about the hare and the tortoise. We all know that the hare was defeated because he was lazy and overconfident. And we know that the tortoise won the race because he was slow and steady. The forest animals knew this too and continued to respect both creatures equally. Because tortoises were not respected previously, and the reason is because of its slow pace. But only after he had won the great race, it is respected by all. Even the two competitors, which means the hare and the tortoise, remained friends. The tortoise was also not proud because he had won, and the hare, realizing he had been defeated, had no grudge on the tortoise, for he knew that it was a fair race. Many months passed. The king of the jungle, where the hare and the tortoise lived, had some important matters to discuss with the king of the neighboring jungle. But the first king could not leave his jungle just then. So he decided instead to send the hare and the tortoise to the neighboring king as his representatives. At least one of you must go to the neighboring kingdom, ordered the king. I want you to discuss certain important matters with the king there and come back to me with his thoughts on those matters. Now go, he said, and mind, you have only a day to complete the work. The road to the neighboring kingdom was not smooth or easy. It was full of rocks and thorns. There were also two rivers to cross on the way. After some time, both the hare and the tortoise understood that both of them could not complete the work alone. They had to go together. The plan was for the hare to carry the tortoise over the thorny parts of the road, and for the tortoise to carry the hare across the two rivers. The next day, they were ready to go. The hare made shortcut with his long jumps. When they came to a river, the hare climbed on to the tortoise's back with difficulty, using both hands and feet. The tortoise swam across the river swiftly. Once both the rivers had been crossed, it did not take them long to arrive at the neighboring kingdom. After long discussions with the neighboring king on all the matters raised by their own king, the hare and the tortoise were ready to leave. The return journey was easier than the onward journey because both the hare and the tortoise now knew exactly what to do. The two worked together so well that they reached their king a few hours before the time. So, this was the story of your comprehension, and the questions will be given in the worksheet. So, keep in touch with us. Bye bye. See you and take care.